What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog, and today we're gonna be kind of like looking over the Z. We got it over at the shop, and kind of like walk under it, see if it's good and everything, because I haven't actually got to like walk under the car or anything, or like check it over really. I'm gonna change the oil in it, and also gonna like fix the clutch issue because it kind of sticks like I was showing you guys before. And also we got some good bonus footage in here. We got Tony over here. He just picked up welcome, Tony. Welcome to the Miata gang. We got Dale over here tapping up the intercooler. But this is the CX kit. Which one is it though? It's like their new kit, isn't it? You can see like the new manifold in there. It like wraps in there. So a lot of people hate the CX Racing manifold, like the stage 1, I guess you could say, the first ever manifold that they made. But this is the upgraded one, so it's supposed to be a lot better than the first one. The only thing bad about this like turbo kit, I think, is like it's just a little bit high, but other than that, like it's pretty solid. And then yeah, with this turbo kit, you do have to cut the hood too, so it kind of stinks. But I mean, altogether, like this car has AC too, so I've never seen intercooler piping have to go through like the fender, and then it wraps down here where the intercooler is. But pretty solid. They're pretty much done and everything. They got the injectors mega squared in. We're kind of just wrapping up the intercooler piping. Got to fill it up with fluid. Got also a skunk intake manifold on there too, so it's pretty solid. We got Yanni over here tapping. Is this the IAT sensor for the mega square?
Yeah, trying to.
Dope. But yeah, it's pretty quality piping. It's 2.5 intercooler piping. Dude, I love those Jas Performance headlights, dude. Those are so nice. So while they're doing that, and before we do the oil change and everything, I'm gonna do like a quick walk around of the Z, because it's under like a pretty good lighting now. So because it was outside before and you couldn't really see like the color too well, the wheels and everything. Keep in mind the car is pretty dirty. I haven't washed it since I actually bought the car. But so it's the San Marino blue pearl. Like you can see, oh, I love that color. It pops in like the lighting. The lights from the previous owner actually are like ceramic coated too, so it's pretty nice because I'm gonna be tracking the car and everything. So let me go over these wheels. These are SSRs. I don't know if you can see, like you can see the rainbow effect right there. You can see a little bit right there. They're SP1s, and then they're 10.5 all the way around, 18s, and they have like a lip to them too. So these are pretty nice wheels. As you can see, like I've been rubbing a little bit just because they're so wide. They're 275 tire all around. I have coilovers ordered too, so you can see like it's definitely got a meaty stance to it, which is nice. I will be tinting the windows because, like I said, I can't be driving around in a fishbowl. I did clean the inside. Has a leather interior. It is the touring model, so it does have the limited slip diff too. Just installed the Z1 exit exhaust. Definitely go check out that video. We'll link it up here and also in the description below. But you can see like that gap. We need to get rid of that, and because dude, these Z's look so good lowered. But I love this thing so far that I've had it. I've only had it for I think a week now actually. I love these wheels. I will be getting different wheels though pretty soon here, but I think it's clean. Dude, this thing's honestly probably like one of the cleanest Miatas in the Georgia area. This thing was actually a Florida car before. But like the interior, we definitely need to get rid of this like steering wheel, but like these seats are like amazing. It's such a clean interior too. 1.8. All around a super clean car. Got the hard top. Got a cool wing. I've never seen this wing before, and it's got like this different front bumper on it. But you got the rotor grids. You got the Manzo exhaust too. So this thing is so clean. I have Tony checking it out. He actually had a supercharged DE. But you're making like 400 horsepower, weren't you? Yeah. I think it's clean. So he's just checking out for me. The car has like no oil leaks, which is with these 3.5 motors, like Tony was saying, like that's the biggest thing. So we kind of went around and checked everything. There's no oil leaks. What do you think, Dale? Think it was a good purchase?
Looks pretty good, man.
Yeah. So we're just gonna check under the car now. Like I said, pretty much the only like big problem is the clutch sticking, which is a pretty common thing with Z's, so that's a pretty easy fix. But I'm stoked to see what this thing looks like on the undercarriage. far. What do you guys think?
I don't see anything like.
Got those stock cats in there still. Is this drive shaft stock? It looks like just a one piece. Okay. It's like super thick for. Diff looks pretty clean, no leaking.
Why does it have camber humps?
So it was lower before, he had coils on it. It was a show car before.
Oh, and they
this is like,
up and sold it?
yeah, it's awesome because I don't have to buy them now. Yeah, I think they're Godspeed.
I've heard mixed things about them.
Yeah. Oh, there's the Z1 CS C elimination kit. Nice. That's solid. It's pretty cool. They have their engraving right there. That's what it looks like. Yeah, man, this car's pretty clean underneath. So we did find out, like, I'm gonna have to get a replacement for the Z1 one, but this diff bushing right here, a lot of Zs have a common problem, they leak, so I'm definitely have to fix that. So if you're not too familiar with Zs, or if you watch anything online or like videos on Instagram, like if you see people shifting like really fast and like you can see like the wheel hop, this is like a big issue, like this bushing right here that go in Zs that you have to replace with, like, you know, they have Z1 makes one that's super easy to install. So I'm gonna have to pick up a kit from Z1 to fix this.
So you can fit 315 is what I'm hearing.
Oh yeah, easy. It's like the same thing as that's how wide a Mustang is in the back. Yep. But like the front, man, like you can see, it literally sticks out, and it just rubs like crazy. But you can see that back, just you'd tuck perfectly back there. You could see like a 295 would be nice, like thickness.
315s all the way around.
Dude, you have to pull the fender like crazy.
Keep running, man.
That sounds a lot better than it did before. Oh, you put the exhaust on? A lot better. Doesn't seem to be leaking anywhere either. Johnny's doing his magic here. Are you doing like a bass tune?
Yeah,
or just kind of like letting it like idle and everything?
Well, I mean, we just installed the new kit, and we just installed the new computer, so we're really just trying to get everything set up. Yeah. You know, let the computer know where it's at, get our bass fueling dialed in, dial in all your idle settings first, and then you work your way up from there.
Yeah, yeah. You said it was running rich?
Yeah, it was running really rich, so we just pulled a lot of fuel out of it. So we're gonna pull that fuel out everywhere.
Okay.
Just try to get it, you know, a nice even number, get the computer happy, get the car happy.
Yeah.
Before we start throwing
Street
power at
tuning
it.
and everything.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. Smoked a little bit, getting those headers broken in there. This kit is like actually pretty good looking. I really like how it looks. Just sits a little bit high. This little feed line is a little bit high too. I like the overall. Came through the fender right here, so you can keep AC on the car. Got the intercooler. That skunk 2 manifold, pretty nice too. Or sorry, intake manifold. This thing's gonna be pretty quick. It's the 1.8, so it's gonna be making like at least 250. We're really interested to see how this manifold holds up though, because it's not cast iron, but it is like their new intake manifold from CX Racing. It's actually the next day. We kind of were really busy on trying to get Tony's Miata up and running. As you guys were seeing, like we were trying to put the turbo kit on and everything. We're pretty close, and I'm just pumped for him to actually run that kit on the car, and because he's been wanting to boost the Miata for a long time. So I'm really stoked. We're gonna probably do a review on it too, and then go for a ride along and watch Yanni kind of data log and street tune the car. So I'm pumped about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just kind of basically going over most common Z problems that people have with 350Zs and what kind of problems mine have. So, you know, the oil kind of around the 3.5 motor, they like to leak oil. The slave cylinder on them, they like to go on stock Z, so you got to get that CSC elimination kit that Z1 makes. You can see like my diff bushing is actually leaking, so I'm gonna have to go replace that from Z1. They make one. So other than that, like, these are pretty solid as long as you keep oil in them, and then just keep up with the basic maintenance. Like, it's a super good car for like the price and also just like what the car can do. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot more Z content coming. Next month, like I said before, is coilovers. That'll be next week. And then I got something special for the front of the car. So comment down below what you guys think, or if you have any Z problems of yourself, if you own a Z out there. But as always, GPG, like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, guys, and see you in the next one.